Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 438 different strategies, with 136 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using a live trading account, trading the Academy of Forex indicator on the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 337 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,058 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, this Fibonacci bands tool, perfect entry and exit strategies, the mother of all TradingView indicators. And so we're going to put the strategy to the test and see if we can get some profitability out of it. As far as the other claims in the source video go, we'll see the mother of all indicators. I just don't see that being a thing, but who knows, maybe it will be outstanding. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the cosine kernel regression indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen. And what we're going to do is jump into the settings of this. Actually, nope, we'll leave the settings on this one on the default settings. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Fibonacci bands indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one we will leave on the default settings as well. And so what we're looking for a short trade, for example, so we are looking for when the price action is trading above this black middle line right here in the Fibonacci bands indicator. Then you can see that we pick up this circle right here. It's very small, kind of hard to see, but you see that circle right there that we pick up. The circle right there is a reversal indicator, a reversal signal or tag, however you want to put it. So then what we're looking for once we get that circle, so we are looking for price to come down and close below that middle line there. And you see that it closes right here. And once we get that close, we're then going to look down to the cosine kernel regressions, and we want this line here to be purple like it is here. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. So we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right here at the top of this little channel right here. So right as this red channel starts, that's where we're going to put our stop. Then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see we get a push up and then a push down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we were looking for is when price starts to trade below this black line here. And as it's trading below it, you can see that it's dashed in this case, showing that price is below it. And then we start to pick up these green dots right here. We pick up one right here, then we pick up another one right here. And once we get those green dots, what we are looking for is price to make its way back into this channel, close above this middle line, like it does right here. And once it makes that close right there, we're then going to look down to the cosine kernel regression, and you can see how it had just turned to that light blue teal-ish color right here. So the line can be blue at any point. It can just turn blue like it did here as well. And so that'll be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. want to put our stop just right here at the beginning of this green channel here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice push to the upside gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we've got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. This is going to put it at a 28% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So definitely not the mother of all TradingView indicators or strategies at all. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $13,800. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $23,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 63. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That's 63 winning trades in a row without taking a losing trade. That's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In back testing, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can check out our money back guarantee right here on our Discord if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.